What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can create a graph in Python. So let's begin. First of all, I will show you what you will create at the end of this video. So you will run this program. You will create this graph which is a power of 2. First it is 0, then 2, then 4, then 6, then and so on. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, I will clean this code. Then open your command prompt and install pip install matplotlib. Simply type this command and press enter. I have already installed this library, but you'll get a downloading function here. It will automatically downloading in your server. Then after it completed, simply cross and then go to your IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Then import matplotlib dot py plot and as plt. Simply type this and then go to next line and create a x coordinate and then create a y coordinate. After this, create a for loop for I in range let's say 1 to 11 x append I. It will add I means the value for this. Okay, value for every 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then again write a for loop in I in range 1 to 11 y append pow. Pow means power. We are creating a graph which shows the power of 2. Okay, pow, let's say 2, power of 2 in I. Then simply print x, print y. After this, simply type plt dot title. It will give the title to your graph. We will give graph of power of 2. Then again type plt dot, this time write x label. Then it will give the comment for the x. We will type x 1 to 10 because it will give the power from 1 to 10. Then we'll do same for y coordinate, y label. Then we will put power of 2 for corresponding x. Then we will simply plot these graphs. Plot x comma y, and we will show these graphs. Let's say first of all save this program, control plus s. Then let me clear this out and open a new terminal. and run this program. Here you can see the graph has been plotted. First of all, it is showing for 1. I think it's showing for the 0. I think for 1. You can see first 0, then it is going up to 2, then 4, then 6, then so on and so on and so on. We have plotted a graph from 1 to 10, so it is showing us till end. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any error you are getting, comment below. I will happy to help you.